Hello everyone, my name is Rafael D. Jaime and I will be sharing to you guys our data on exercise number 3 regarding the effects of low temperature and waxing on the ripening of climateric fruits. So, in this exercise, no, we have different objectives that we need to attain during the conduct of this activity. So, our first objective is to describe the effects of low temperature and normal room temperature on the ripening of climacteric crops. Second is to describe the effects of exogenous application of ethylene on the ripening of climacteric crops. Third objectives is to describe the effects of root using vegetable oil on the ripening of climateric crops. Our last objectives is to describe and discuss the effects of different ripening treatments, whether they enhance or retard the commodity. So during the conduct of this exercise, no, the materials we used are graduated cylinder, the banana, which is the commodity used, the vegetable oil, distilled water, and ethylene.
So, good day everyone. I am here to present the exercise 3, the effects of low temperature and waxing on the ripening of climacteric fruits. So, the commodity assigned to us was Latundan banana. Then, the origin of the commodity is just here in CMU. Mr. Alexis Betty got it from Mrs. Barbosa. Then, uh, we purchased it on February 17, 2025. And then the brand of ethylene used, um, we forgot to take note of it, but we used a ethylene on the experiment as shown on the materials and methods. So the fruit coating used or the waxing agent was vegetable oil. Then as you can see here, uh, we have a general banana ripeness chart. We got it from Fresh Point. Then, so in this ripeness chart, you can see that different colors show the ripeness of the banana. So with deep green being the hilaw, the unripe, then as light green and equally yellow and green. With this chart, then the last is the very ripe or the yellow with brown spots. It's the ripe banana. And with this, you can see or compare we can compare the ripeness of our banana and take note of how fast each treatment affects the ripeness of the banana. So the next is the data that we have gathered for this experiment. So it will be represented by our next reporter. Thank you.
So, good day everyone. My name is Elaine Saavedra and today we will be tackling about the effect of storage and ethylene treatment on the ripening of Latundan banana. So, for the room temperature storage, banana were kept at ambient condition without external influence, while ethylene treatment, bananas were exposed to ethylene gas to absorb its impact on ripening speed. For both conditions, the ripening stages were recorded at different time intervals and the data was collected through 3 replications to ensure accuracy. So for the result, the table 8.1 and 8.2 represents the number of days required for different ripening stage under both conditions. So for the room temperature storage, stage 2 ripening took 1 day across all replications. Stage 4 took 2 days consistently. Stage 7 took 3 days, while full ripening in 8th stage, it requires 6 days. So for the ethylene treatment, the data showed the same tend as room temperature storage, indicating that ethylene exposure did not significantly accelerate ripening in this experiment.
So, good day everyone. I am Alexis Petit. So, I will be presenting to you the table 8.3 on the effects of low temperature storage on ripening of latundan banana. So, this was done for 7 days on stored on refrigerator, and we have replication 1, 2, and 3. So, as what you can observe that uh, all of the during every day they have the equal ripeness, and on the first day on storing at a low temperature, we didn't observe any changes at all for replication 1, 2, and 3. On the second day, the ripeness has there is a changes which has 3, also for the replication 2 and 3, which we have observed a slight yellowing on the surface of the outside of banana. And for the third day, we have observed the chart for ripeness chart for 5 on replication 1, 2, and 3. That also includes for up until day 6, which also has a 5 rating. And on the 7th day, which is also we observe a lot, in which the ripeness has reached on a ripeness of 7, which we can observe that when it is stored in a low temperature, the deterioration of the fruit really slows down. So next is for the table 8.4, which is the effect of fruit coating on the ripening of latundan banana. So we also have replication 1, 2, and 3. So on the first day, we it is really observable that there is no changes yet on the first day. So while in the second day, the ripeness is 1, which for all the replication, which is the mean of 1 also, and also on the day 3 and 4. Next is for day 5, which is the ripeness reached to number 2, which is for all application, which has a mean of 2. And for the day 6, we can also observe that the ripeness of latundan banana on fruit coating is 4 for all replication, and we can also really observe that all the replication are equal, in ripening.
So the discussion on our last activity is this experiment illustrates the differential effects of various treatments on the ripening speed of latundan bananas. Notably, the treatment 0, which is the control, and treatment 1, which is the vegetable oil coating, and the treatment 2, which is the ethylene treatment, exhibits ripening of the bananas or the commodity. Whereas the treatment 3, which is the low temperature storage, maintains a green appearance but starts to deteriorate. So based on our results, the treatment that delays the ripening of commodity is the treatment 3, which is the low temperature storage. So it's because kanang ang low temperature storage kay nagsilbi siya nga refrigerator which reduces the ethylene production of the banana commodity. Kani si ethylene production, si ethylene kay siya ang kanang it is the natural plant hormone nga ga, ga it is the natural plant hormone nga ga play og important role para mahinog ang banana or ang vegetable. So um, by applying treatment 3, the low temperature storage, gina-reduce niya ethylene production. Mao na nga ang result sa amo ang treatment 3 kay um, green pagyapon yung appearance pero nag-start na siya og kadaot ang banana. So, and then compared to ethylene treated, treatment that hasten the ripening of commodity is the ethylene treated. So, as I said earlier that ethylene is the natural plant hormone nga pahinog or gatabang og pahinog sa atong vegetable and fruits. So um, if we put or add ethylene concentrated sa atong commodity, it fastens the ripening process sa atong commodity. So in this picture, this is our documentation of our treatments. This is day 1. As you can see, the appearance of all treatments are still green. So, day 2 to day 3, mo na ni siya ang itsura sa among treatment 0. Naghinog na siya and pwede na siya makaon. And treatment 2, medyo dili pa kayo hinog. And treatment 1, same sila appearance sa treatment 2 and treatment 3, still green pagyapon niya appearance. So, sa day 4 to day 7, ang amuang treatment 0 is nag-start na siya daot as well as the treatment 1 and treatment 2 na-overripe na kayo sila. While ang amuang treatment 3, which is the cold low temperature storage, kay nag-start lang siya og ka-deteriorate. Medyo naay ka ng kalayan sa appearance kay wag nag-yellow green siya pero nadaot siya, wala siya na parehas, dili siya parehas sa among treatment 0, treatment 1 and treatment 2 nga niagi gyud siya kahinog and nag-yellow gid siya. So mao to.
At the end of this exercise, we came up to a conclusion that this exercise reveals that temperature, exogenous ethylene application, and vegetable oil treatments significantly influence the ripening process of climacteric fruits. Low temperatures effectively retard ripening by slowing down metabolic processes and reducing ethylene production, while normal room temperatures allow for a natural progression of ripening. Conversely, exogenous ethylene application accelerates ripening by triggering and amplifying the climacteric burst, leading to a faster softening, color changes, and increased respiration. And that's all. Thank you.